Imagine a world where the sweet meets the sizzling, where indulgence dances with daring. Welcome to the realm of hot and spicy chocolate bars. First, gather your soldiers: dark chocolate, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, and sea salt. A hint of vanilla extract and a touch of coconut oil will tie everything together. Begin by melting your dark chocolate in a double boiler. Stir in a generous pinch of cayenne, a dash of cinnamon, and a sprinkle of sea salt. The warmth of the chocolate will awaken these spices, creating a fiery fusion. Next, a splash of vanilla extract and a dollop of coconut oil. Mix everything until it's as smooth as a velvet night. Pour this glossy concoction into a chocolate mold, and into the fridge it goes. In a few hours, you'll have a snack that's bold, beautiful, and blazing with flavor. Each bite is a journey, from the initial sweetness of chocolate to the lingering heat of cayenne. So are you ready to take your taste buds on an adventure? Go on, make your own hot and spicy chocolate bars. And when you've savored the last piece, remember, there's a world of flavor out there waiting for you. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious detours. Your culinary journey is just beginning.